Welcome back to MegaBuilds Pro.
The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is progressing rapidly, and we're now witnessing some of the most important construction milestones so far. In today's update, we'll take you through the latest developments across all corners of the stadium, from major structural work to fine interior finishes. In the Gol Nord section, the final platform on the third floor has been completed. Crews are actively pouring the last concrete slabs, reinforcing staircases, sealing off key areas, and preparing the final supports for the roof structure. The VIP platforms are also nearly complete, and the elevator zones are now fully enclosed and ready for mechanical installations. On the Tribuna and Gol Sur sides, the focus has shifted to final finishes. Workers are installing handrails and safety barriers, preparing for the arrival of glass panels, closing internal gaps in corridors and staircases, and painting steel elements with protective black coatings. Precast staircases are being installed at the corners, and formwork has been removed in many areas, revealing near-final surfaces. Only a few roof trusses remain before the entire stadium ring is complete. One of them was lifted earlier this week, and others are staged and ready. Once installed, the full structural skeleton of Camp Nou will be finished, marking a massive milestone in the renovation process. Work in the underground levels, especially in Phase 2 of the parking area, is accelerating. Fresh concrete slabs have been poured, rebar mesh is being laid across large areas, and new circulation routes are being defined using New Jersey barriers and fencing. All signs point to one thing: the stadium is not only being rebuilt, it's being prepared to function efficiently and safely. With August 10th officially off the table, the new target for reopening has shifted to mid-September, likely September 14th or 15th. This timing aligns with FC Barcelona's first home match of the season, and possibly even a Champions League group stage match. It's no longer just a comeback. It's a race to meet a critical deadline. Final roof trusses are being installed. Concrete platforms and slabs are nearly finished. VIP and elevator areas are enclosed. Parking and stair access zones are taking shape. Interior coatings, railings, and walls are going in. This isn't just construction. It's the rebirth of Camp Nou. And if the current momentum holds, we could soon hear the roar of fans returning to one of football's most iconic stadiums this September. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sports Render, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates.
We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro. Thanks for watching.